Looky what I got. Howdy ho, Arkansas Pilgrim here. Finally get to wear my hat that I got for Christmas, which, well, the three of you that watched my Christmas present video may recognize it from way back when. At any rate, hey, I got myself a new tractor. Well, new to me. It's a 1970 model, but that's 18 years younger than the piece of work that I had before. Let me give you a tour around it. Okay, well, here's the front. Here's the side. Here's the back. And here's the other side. So, there's your tour around my tractor. Well, anyway, it's, like I said, it's a 1970 model. It's a Massey Ferguson 135, 3-cylinder gasoline engine. It's more powerful than my previous tractor. It's like almost twice as powerful. And it's a bit windy. We'll see how the sound goes. But it's actually smaller. The rear tires are lower. It's more compact, but it's more powerful, and it is a very popular tractor, and this one was well taken care of. I bought it from a friend. It was his dad's, and his dad parked it inside, didn't leave it out, and even though it's kind of, I mean, it's 51 years old, it's still in really good shape. And it also came with a bush hog, an actual bush hog. Rotary cutter is the generic term, or brush hog, but it's a, you can sort of see most of the letters, a bush hog brand. Bush hog, and it's as much of a tank as the one I had before, but this one's definitely in better shape. And it has a 3-point hitch on it, so when I get other implements I'm going to be able to take care of, well, like this driveway and the rest of the driveway over there that's in really bad shape. But hey, one thing at a time. And now I'm actually going to be able to keep my field cut, and to cut down all this stuff that's been growing for quite a while. Anyway, there's my new tractor. Just wanted to introduce y'all to her. Don't have a name for her yet. It's a tractor. Maybe I won't even give her a name. A name. We'll see. God bless y'all. See you next time.